Guys, today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your PicWish app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go down here, then you click on apps. You come to apps list and here you're looking for PicWish app or just click on search. Add here PicWish, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. Then you come to next step here, click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage is here. Just click on clear cache, then all you have to do next, just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, then it's going to work with you. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you I get it, that's all. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.